Hi, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And we are Adventures in Xanadu, and we got a quick little emergency veterinary tip for dogs while you're traveling in your RV. A quick way to maybe keep you from going to the emergency room.
So, come here. Rosie was playing outside. She loves the snow. Anyway, she hurt her back foot. And we have like a lot of snow. Not easy to get out. So anywho, you see, make her pretty. Make her pretty. We put a bag on it because, you know, like I said, we got the snow. But I thought I might show you just a quick thing what I did here. Take her bag off. You see? Here, it's a good girl. Have a treat. Okay. Mama, make her pretty. Yeah, make her pretty. Nah, hey, you can't sneak all the treats, Bonehead. Okay. So what I did here, I don't know if you can see it with the legs. I got a sock out.
I'm trying not to move, so.
Right, just let me try it again. Here, Mama see. Mama see. So this is just painter's tape here. So I put a sock on it just to protect it because you heard it was bleeding some. So what I did is I put the sock on, brought it up past her ankle, and then I taped it. So, and then when I pulled all this down so it's like double. Anyway, hard to see really. But this is a good thing for like, you know, if they hurt their foot, it's emergency, if you're camping or whatever. You can just put the whole sock on all the way up and then put the tape on it here at the ankle and then fold the other part all the way over so it's like double layered. It's taped up there. So anyway, that's what we did for this little girl. At least to hold her over until you can get her to the vet. You should always check with your veterinarian. But in the meantime, if you can't get out or you're camping and just need to bandage it up a little, this is how we did it. Just the sock, regular old sock, put it all the way onto the end. Make sure it's up past the ankle though. You don't want to put tape on it down here, up past the ankle is where you tape it. Fold it on, take the rest of it, fold it right, fold it right over the rest. And then I taped it again. And this girl is quite rambunctious. So, and she loves the snow. So, yeah, after it quit bleeding, everything was cool. We thought, okay. Well, she went out and it started bleeding again because she has to run in the deepest snow possible. So I did put another one on it. You know, dry, blah, blah. And I'll put the plastic on every time that we take her out. So, oh yeah, you gotta change it when it looks like it needs to be changed. It depends how long you get on it. You know, if it gets dirty or wet, then I would change it right away. Yeah, I just put the bag on to keep it dry when we go outside, and I take it right off. But she's so funny. She just picks her leg up like she's a little dancing horse when she walks. It's the funniest thing. But like I say, she's a snow lover, so, you know, I knew she was going to end up going out and taking it off or something, so this is how it worked for us. But yeah, like I said, always make sure you take her to the vet and get it checked out.
All right, well, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And we are Adventures in Xanadu, and that's just a little health tip. A little quick tip to keep you from running to the emergency room with your dog if their nail happens to come off. And we all know that happens quite a bit, but great fix. All right, thanks so much, Dawn.
All righty, toodaloo.